This is part 2 of question number 5. You're going to simplify by multiplying the polynomial using the area model. Here, let's look at the second half. We'll start with question D. Here we have a 2 terms times another 2-term polynomial, binomial times a binomial. So let's fill in that 2 by 2 shape. We have a minus 3 here, a plus 2j. So from left to right, that is the first term. 4j. And a minus 7 going up and down, okay, for the column. All right, let's do some multiplication here. 4j times negative 3, it is a negative 12j. 4j times 2j, it is 8j squared. Negative 3 times negative 7, it is a positive 21. Negative 7 times positive 2j, it is a negative 14j. Okay. Here, the like terms are actually j, this diagonal, okay? So negative 12j and a negative 14j becomes a negative 26j, all right? We write it in highest degree, so 8j squared goes first, and then a plus 21 in the end. So the final answer is 8j squared minus 26j plus 21. Let's look at E here. We have 2 terms times a third term, 2 terms times 3 terms. So binomial times a trinomial. So it's a 2 by 3. So let's fill it in. This is going to be an x, and then this is going to be a plus 4. Then each row, x squared plus 3x, and then plus 2. All right, let's do the multiplication here. X squared times x, it is x cubed. X squared times 4 is 4x. 3x times x, it is 3x squared. 3x times 4, it is 12x. X times 2, 2x. 2 times 4, it is 8. All right, so let's see if there are any like terms here. Yes, there is. There is a, oops, sorry, I messed up here. X, this is, yeah. Okay, 4 times x squared is 4x squared. These are like terms. Okay, 3x squared and 4x squared becomes 7x squared. And then these should also be like terms. The diagonals will always get us the like terms. 2x and 12x becomes a 14x. Bring everything else down. X cubed. And then an 8. So the final answer is x cubed plus 7x squared plus 14x plus 8. Lastly, we also have a binomial times a trinomial, so that is a 2 times 3, so that should look like that. Let's bring each term out here. We have y plus 3, y squared plus 8y, and the minus 2, right? So the first polynomial in the parentheses was the columns, and then the trinomial, the second polynomial, were the rows. Now we can just multiply. Y squared times y becomes y cubed. Y squared times 3, 3y squared. Y times 8y becomes 8y squared. 8y times 3, it is 24y. Negative 2 times y, negative 2y. Negative 2 times 3, it is 6. Let's see if there are any like terms here. The 3y squared and 8y squared becomes 8, 9, 10, 11. 11y squared. Then you have 24y minus 2y. That becomes a plus 22y. Bring everything else down. Y cubed, and then a plus 6. So that is your final answer here of multiplying using the area model.